Welcome to my channel once again, Susan Good TV. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how I styled this easy hairstyle but beautiful for my daughter. So first I'm going to part the front. I think I part this hair, if I'm not mistaken, into into 5 or 6. Yeah, because what I'm going to do, just part this big one at the front, then one at the side, then another one at the other side. So what I'm using hair gel just to straighten it. Another thing I want to talk about is when you're applying this gel on your hair or your daughter's hair, you don't need to add too much. You don't need to apply too much. Just apply it, comb it, brush the gel into the hair. It will give you what the result you are looking for. So you see the way I'm doing it now. After I brush it, I use the down of the comb to straighten it before I use rubber band to hold the hair. So that's why I said you don't need much gel. You don't need to apply much gel to avoid scratching. So this is the other remaining part. I have part this hair into 5. One in the middle, one in the side, and the other one at the side, one at the back, and one at the front. So it's just so easy at that. After packing everything, so I made every hair, I weave them. I use just a natural hair. I didn't add any extension braid to it. I just weave it into 3 each. So this is how I made the hair. So I part it into 3. This is how I finished all the hair. So now I'm done with the weaving. As you can see, this is the hair I already made. I made it myself. So I'm going to use crochet to start crocheting it to the hair, one after the other. So what I do, the first thing, I just push it to the edge, then use crochet to take it from the back again, take it back just to secure the down of the hair so that the hair don't pull off later, you know. And also the way it will also not hotter. So the way it is now, if you can even leave it like this, it's not going to pull off. So after that, I put the crochet inside. Then I started taking the hair from the inside. So this is how I made all the hair. So another thing, in case you don't know how to do this crochet inside, like you don't know how to pull the hair from inside, so I do another way. So in case you want to do this kind of hair and you don't know how to do it, so there's another way you can also take your crochet inside. So just watch this video till the end, so it will enable you to know how I do this one I'm talking about right now. So in case you don't know how to take it from inside, so you know there's another way you can also do crochet, because it's not everybody that know how to do it this way. So if you watch it this time, means you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much for your time, and I appreciate you all. This is your first time coming across my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on TikTok and on Facebook. Thank you so much. And the same name I'm using here. So, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload or I upload a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I really do appreciate you all for your support, and I say may God bless you all, both my new and my old subscribers. So in case you don't understand the way I explained it, you can also see the way I'm doing it. So you see, when I take it in for the first time, before I start putting it from inside, I have to like take it again from the roots, and to take it back. So just to secure the edge. So just follow my hand, see the way I'm doing it. So here is where I'm going to show you how you can do in another way. So if you see the way I'm doing it now, I take it out from here, then I will take it out from the other side. Now this one now, I'm not taking it from inside like the way I did with the other ones. No, I'm just doing it side to side, if you understand what I mean. Like I take it now from this side, so I will take it again. You see the way I'm doing it now from the other side. So this is how I do this part. See, this is another side. Now I will take it again from another side, push it in. Then I will use my hand to push the hair to the other side. I will just trick it and take it out again from the other side. See, so in case you don't know how to take it from inside, you can do it from side to side, and you will still get your result. So it's two ways. Either have a lot of ways, or you can just decide to do which one that will be like the one that will be easier for you. So you see, so it's also good. Here is the packer I'm going to be using to pack, just to tie the hair. So this packer was sent to me by my sister all the way from Nigeria. You can also check the comment section for more details, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now.